Do you enjoy using emojis to express yourself? Your iPhone can create fun emoji stickers for your chats. It's an easy way to add some extra flair to your messages. Let me show you how to get started. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Keyboard. Scroll down to find the Emoji Stickers toggle. Toggle on to enable emoji stickers. The switch will turn green, or toggle off to disable them. The switch will turn gray. How to use emoji stickers. Open an app like Messages, WhatsApp, or Notes where you can type. Tap the emoji icon on your keyboard. Scroll right or down to find your custom emoji stickers generated from your favorite emojis or memojis. Tap on a sticker to send or insert it into your message. That's it. Emoji stickers add a fun touch to your chats. If this guide helped you, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. And I'll catch you in the next video.